Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you all methods on how to take a screenshot on the POCO M8. So if you want to take a photo of your screen, or basically a screenshot, there are a few ways to do this. I'm going to show you all of them. So the first thing that we're going to do is actually enable those options. And to do that, we're going to go to settings, and then we're going to scroll down to additional settings, then scroll down again to gesture shortcuts, and here we have two options. So take a screenshot and partial screenshot. So take a screenshot means that you just take a screenshot of the full screen, and we have a few options here. So we have slide 3 fingers down, so we do 3 fingers, and if we slide down, it's going to take a screenshot like that. Then we also have volume down and power, which allows us to take a screenshot by pressing the volume down and power buttons at the same time. So if you click like this, it's going to take a screenshot once again. So you can either enable or disable these options. I like to use the volume down plus power, so I'm going to disable slide 3 fingers down and leave the volume down plus power option on. Now we also have the partial screenshot option, which allows us to crop our screenshots. So if we enable it by enabling the press and hold with 3 fingers option, and actually use it by holding with 3 fingers pretty much anywhere on the screen, it's going to open up this option. So we have either a square where we can just drag like this to create a little box, and this box is going to contain the full screenshot, or we have the drawing option, which allows us to just draw what we want to, which part of the screenshot we actually want to save. So maybe something like this. It can be pretty much anything, and then we can also resize it if we want. And then we have the circle option, which allows us to create a even circle instead of any other option. Then we also have the start over, share, edit, and save options. So start over allows us to take a screenshot again and choose a different mode. And then we have the share option, which allows us to immediately send the screenshot to someone. And then we have edit, which allows us to change the screenshot by drawing on it or changing the colors. And we also have the last option, which is just save. And this saves the screenshot to our gallery. So if you open up our gallery right now, then we're going to have all of the screenshots saved. This is all the screenshots we've taken. And this is pretty much how you take screenshots on this phone. And that's pretty much it. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.